Hello guys, welcome back to our another second video. So today is the my second video of this channel. So this video about SEO first.ru second part, and this SEO first.ru second part video. First video I upload in my channel, you can check out, then you can check this second part video. Here I can here I can see the second part of this video, the how can earn to passive earning on SEO first.ru. This is the second part. First part you can also see, and this is the second part. Now first part you can I can see you can see this how to create an account on SEO first.ru, and second part about how to earn money on SEO first.ru. Full process of this part. So after you login successfully logged in on SEO first.ru, then you can see this type of dashboard. If dashboard is full of Russian languages, then you can select English, translate, use translator English, and then you check out this English languages, and then you can see your dashboard look like this: withdraw funds, main balance account, zero level, and deposit funds. We can not here in deposit, we can only earn money in this section. So we can earn in here rubles. What is rubles? Rubles means Russian currency. You can see you can write in Google rub to USD and search in your Google. Here you can see one Russian ruble equal to 0.011 dollar. You can see one Russian rubles equal to 0.0 minimum 1 cent, 1.0.01 cents. So we can earn here in Russian rubles. These are Russian site, so we can earn Russian rubles, and then in it convert in USDT. Here there you can what you want. You can see earn money. You can click earn money this section, and here you can find many of things: tax, paid service, surfing, paid visits, paid letters, paid tests, YouTube, economy tech, Twitter, TikTok, teaser advertising, competitions. Here you can use to earn money. So first of all, you click the tax section, and you can go to these sections. Wait, tax. Wait a minute. Taxation, and go to these sections, and here you can see here for convenience searching. We have highlighted popular social networks as separate categories as tax, YouTube, Avito. Here you can see this. There are category deserves of categories. Tax are categories divided. So there down section you look at these tax sections: quick registration and high pay. You how to you earn money in this section. There example, we click this advertisement, you can earn this 5 rubles in this link, in this visiting this link. So I can click this link. Okay, I'm click this link, and SEOfirst.ru, this website going through, we can I can go through this page payment, and I can see the payment of execution in 5.5 rub. Task must be completed in 1 hour. It means to you can absolutely complete in one after you start in this work in 1 hour. First category, this is relation with activity. You can use only resting and sum of activity. Okay, checking tasks manual. You you think that's a manually check. When you can complete these tasks, the owner of this task manually check this task and pay you 5.5 rub. So complete these tasks very sincerely. If you don't complete it very clearly, sincerely, you don't pay in rubles. You complete the task, you select start button. Task complete, score 3. Oh, this task not, so this task not for me, not for new users. Okay, if you want to take this task, you also your score is above 3 of rating points. So after we complete some tasks, we can available on this task to complete. So complete another task. You can earn this another tax there this tax you can earn this more of this tax. There are available many of tax available. So here you can see there are many tax available, and there are many pages available. You work in 2 3 4 5 and many pages. You can work unlimited tax there are available. You can earn many of rubles in monthly. You can generate a passive earning. So in tax section and second section in paid service, you can complete this paid services after this tax service complete. And then number three service is surfing. You can click surfing section, and you can here you can see there are many surfing sites. You can only visit sites. Click this site, and you can take to another site. You can visit only some of seconds. You can visit only some of seconds on this site, and you can earn 0.02 rough 3 rough, or you can want, or you can write in C. And there are paid visits available. You can also there's also and surfing, also like a surfing sites. You can only visit the sites and you can pay it out. There's a paid letters, paid tests, YouTube views, Twitter, TikTok, etc. So you can earn you what you want. So after complete these tasks, you can earn rubles, not USDT. USD, that's a ruble currency. And how to withdraw after this earning. After earning, you can withdraw money from withdraw fund. This section, click this section, and here you can see many of earning withdraw method. There, choose one. There are available of web money, card, USDT, pay now, Avis, what Asbox is BV. In Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, and America, US, full of country, only of all of countries are supported in USDT. You can select USDT, and then you can select USDT and your submit your USDT address, and you can withdraw money. Very simple of withdraw money. And before withdraw money, you can complete your personal data like your name, your gender, your birth of date, and etc. We can write this data and withdraw money easily on USDT. So guys, in this video, I can try to how to make money. You can also in SEO fast.ru. This is my second video of the channel. So please like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. We can see. You can see the SEO first dude. You can also earn this many of website of my channel. You can see. So absolutely you subscribe the channels for better understanding, for better more Russian sites earning. So goodbye guys.